Hello kids. Today we are going to start our new lesson number 4, that is our industries. Okay? Do you know the resources provided by nature fulfill most of our needs? However, many of them cannot use directly. But first the question arises, what are resources? Material which satisfy our needs are known as resources. जो मटेरियल है हमारे नीड सेटिस्फाई करते हैं, जो चीज़ें वो रिसोर्सेस कहलाती हैं. बट सम रिसोर्सेस वी कैन नॉट यूज डायरेक्टली. कैन यू यूज wheat, iron ore, log of wood, tea leaves or cotton directly? No, we cannot use them directly. We convert them into finished good and then we use it. For example, wheat. Can you use wheat directly? No. We convert them wheat into bread, tea leaves into tea, cotton into cloth, and log of wood into furniture and for different purposes, and iron ore into different utensils or some other product. So any raw material converted into finished goods before we can use them. है ना? तो raw materials convert them into finished goods before we can use them. Now what are raw materials? कच्चा माल. For example, wheat एक raw material है जिसे हम प्रोसेस में लाके उसका फ्लोर बना के ब्रेड बनाते हैं. जो ब्रेड बनी दैट इज फिनिश गुड्स. तो रॉ मटेरियल्स आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू फिनिश गुड इन ए फैक्ट्री. ओके, एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट यूजिंग मशीन इन ए फैक्ट्री इज नोन एज इंडस्ट्री. So what is an industry? In this chapter we will learn about industries. So what is an industry? The process of making particular product in a factory by using machines is known as industry. To set up an industry we need some things. What we need to set up an industry? To set up an industry we need raw materials, machines, human labor, transport, money and power supply. Okay, what do you need? We need human labor, different machines, power supply, transport, raw material and money. Okay, it is clear to you? Yes. Now on the basis of their size there are different type of industries are there. How many type of industry? 3 type of industry on the basis of their size. Types of industries: cottage industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. Okay, on the basis of their size there are 3 type of industries are there: cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. In this chapter we will learn about this different type of industries. First we will learn about cottage industries. What are cottage industries? Cottage industries are industries set up by people in their own home. Okay, छोटी सी इंडस्ट्री होती है जो पीपल अपने घरों में बनाते हैं या घरों में ही सेट कर लेते हैं. तो कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री सेटअप बाय पीपल इन देयर ओन होम एंड दे यूज सिंपल टूल्स एंड द लोकली अवेलेबल रॉ मटेरियल. जो आसपास इजीली रॉ मटेरियल उनको अवेलेबल हो जाते हैं, कच्चा माल उनको अवेलेबल हो जाता है, उससे वो फिनिश गुड्स बनाते हैं, एक नया प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं. ओके, तो व्हाट इज कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री? इंडस्ट्री सेटअप बाय पीपल in their own home is known as cottage industry. And to set up cottage industry we use cottage industry we use simple tools, locally available raw materials, है ना, and they set up in their home. Some example of cottage industries are weaving cloths, extracting oil, grinding flour, making baskets, toys and leather goods. Okay, what is the example of cottage industry? Weaving cloths, cloths बुनना, हाथ से जो cloths बुने जाते हैं. Extracting oil, ऑयल भी निकाला जाता है बहुत सी चीज़ों का, जैसे कोकोनट ऑयल निकाला जाता है, सोयाबीन ऑयल है, सो मेनी ऑयल्स है ना, मूंगफली का ऑयल निकाला जाता है, ग्राउंडनट्स. तो वीविंग क्लॉथ्स, क्लॉथ्स बुनना, एक्सट्रैक्टिंग ऑयल, ग्राइंडिंग फ्लोर, फ्लोर्स यानी ग्राइंड करना, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था वीट से आप आटा बनाते हो ना, वीट को ग्राइंड करते हैं तो आटा बनता है. तो ग्राइंडिंग फ्लोर इज ऑल्सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री. मेकिंग बास्केट्स, बास्केट्स बनाना, टॉयज बनाना एंड लेदर गुड्स, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज. ओके, तो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड कि what is cottage industry and what are cottage industries. Industries set up by people in their own home and they use simple tools and locally available raw materials. And the examples of cottage industries are weaving cloth, extracting oil, grinding flour, making basket, toys and leather goods. Second industry is small scale industries. What is small scale industry? In a small scale industry, they employ a few workers are there. They employ a few workers. They use small machines and people work in a small factory. Okay, what is small scale industry? Industry in which employ a few workers. They use simple machines and few workers work in a factory. Okay, so an industry which employ few workers, use simple machines and they work in a small factory. It is known as small scale industry. What are the example of small scale industry? Making utensils, बर्तन बनाना, making garments, कपड़े बनाना, hosiery items. You know what are hosiery item? Your socks हैं, stockings हैं, vest. These are known as hosiery item. आपके socks, stockings है ना, आपके vest, बनियान, they are known as hosiery items. Electrical and plastic goods है ना. In small scale industry they make some electrical and plastic goods also. So what are small scale industries? And they are industries which employ few workers using simple machines and they work in a factory are known as small scale industries. And the example of small scale industries are making utensils, making garments, hosiery items, electrical and plastic goods. Okay, now third is large scale industries. According to name, this large scale industry employ thousands of workers, and they use big machines and workers also highly trained. And the example of this and they produce in a large number of product. यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा products produce होते हैं. According to name, large scale industry है ना. तो they employ thousands of workers, they use big machines and highly trained workers are there and they produce a large amount of product. And the example of this industries are textile mills, जहाँ कपड़े बनते हैं है ना. textile mills, बड़ी बड़ी mills होती हैं जहाँ हजारों की तादाद में कपड़ा बनाया जाता है. iron and steel plants, आयरन और स्टील प्लांट्स होते हैं जहाँ पर आयरन और स्टील बनाया जाता है. ऑयल रिफाइनरीज आर देयर है ना. ऑयल रिफाइनरीज, यू नो, ऑयल रिफाइनरीज इज अ फैक्ट्री वेयर क्रूड मिनरल ऑयल इज रिफाइंड. मैंने आपको बताया था इन प्रीवियस चैप्टर वी ऑलरेडी लर्न दैट क्रूड मिनरल ऑयल है ना, पेट्रोलियम और फाउंड इन ए क्रूड in the form of crude mineral oil. So oil refineries, in oil refineries that crude mineral oil is refined. रिफाइन करके उसको प्योर किया जाता है. देन केमिकल प्लांट्स आर देयर एंड ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री जहाँ पर गाड़ियाँ बनाई जाती हैं, एंड रेलवे इक्विपमेंट्स जहाँ पर रेलवे जो रेल होती है, ट्रेन होती है, उसके पार्ट्स बनाए जाते हैं. तो दिस आर द लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्री. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. What is cottage industry? An industry which is set up by people in their own home, and they use simple tools and locally available raw materials. In a small scale industry, few workers are there, and they use small machines and they work in a small factory. In large scale industry, thousands of workers are employed there, and thousands of workers are there. They use big machines and highly trained workers are there, and they produce large amount of products. I hope all of you understand this.